Dr. Mack Christmas, are you here to congratulate me? I'm just putting the cane sugar back on the shelf.
Okay, but what are you going to replace it with? Just about everything in the kitchen needs sugar somewhere. What are you going to replace it with?
I was going to look at the fake ones. They have no calories.
Right, no calories, but all the cancer and all the inflammation you can stand. You got to start to condition yourself. When you see 0 calories, when you see light, no calorie, you got to think chemicals, cancer. Anything that wasn't on the Earth's surface before it came out of a lab, your body has no way to break down and no way to get rid of usually. This is where people get inflammation. This is where people get into trouble. 0 calories, chemicals, and cancer. When you see aspartame, saccharin, sucralose, stevia, cyclamate, xylitol, pretty much anything ending in ose, ace, aim, ol. Put it down. That's cancer in a bag. That's heart disease, that's diabetes and obesity. It's done. You can't bring that home to your family. I never will use an artificial sweetener. You know what? If you gotta use something, use the real thing in moderation. Don't go the cancer route.